What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching. So this next video I'm about to post is of, if you remember, I had a 77 Mercedes 240D. I had a hard drive crash a while back, lost a bunch of footage. Well, I recently recovered that hard drive, and I forgot that I had filmed the day that I picked this car up and brought it to my garage. So you're gonna have to watch two videos to kind of correlate the two. But the one I'm posting is what this Mercedes 240 diesel looked like when I first got it. And you'll see how dusty it was, how rough it looked, and then I'll post a link in the comments, in the description, and go look at what it did when I did the review driving one. So it's kind of crazy, night and day, what it looked like when I first got it to when it was in its final shining glory, when it was my daily driver. So check out the video and don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.
So I bought another project. I actually don't need another project, but this particular vehicle has kind of got a little sentimental value to some degree. My dad had one back in the 80s and they're just quirky. I like quirky stuff. So here's the car. It's a 77 Mercedes 240D. And it's non-turbo. This particular car, I kid you not, has been sitting almost 20 some years. It was last driven in 2003 from the registration papers. So, I mean, it's literally been sitting dormant. I got it running. I dumped the remaining gas out of the tank, got it running, and then drove it down to my shop here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wash it, clean it up, and then we'll go from there. But it's running and driving. I'll tell you from firsthand experience, it's not gonna win any races. But it's just cool, it's quirky. These diesels are they're interesting, and I kind of like them. My dad had a 81 300D, and I vividly remember as a child riding in it, and that glow plug noise before startup and the clank from the engine while it's running. So kind of cool. So my plan is to fix this one up and see something bad. You ready for this?
Worse than this?
Oh, it's worse than this. We're gonna open this up. Just wait, Dusty, wait.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Yeah.
If that thing sat with a full tank, that diesel is...
It's like running hot?
It doesn't look bad.
I was trying to find any leaks. It runs 180 on the temp.
I mean, you're a little wet around the injectors, but...
A 4-cylinder.
I bet you get those injectors cleaned and it'll run great. All right.
We're gonna drive this with this windshield like this. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I'm excited. All right, Junior, let's get going. Oh, I'll pull this thing out. This interior is immaculate, though. 1977, and I mean, it looks really good. Here's the notorious diesel glow plug. Yeah, with 180 on the odometer. I don't know what S stands for, but we're gonna find out here. Maybe this thing will actually have acceleration now. Oh yeah, I'm in the gas right now. Oh, that's nothing. Oh yeah, it's fast. It's turbo. Turbo's good. All right, here goes